So one thing that I learned from watching the introductory video for Read and Write 11 is how to unpin and repin the toolbar. You click on this button right down here, and it unpins the toolbar from the edge of the screen. I can bring it up here, unpin it again, bring it over here, and I can attach it to any side of the screen. Another thing that I learned by watching the video is how to change the toolbar. So here I have all features for Read and Write 11. I can change it again to just reading features. And as if I click right here, I can change it again to writing features and then to research features. Also changing the color of the toolbar. I can change the toolbar color to orange. I can change it to red. Any color on here. So for two things that I learned in exploring the toolbar, one was the picture dictionary. So you can type in any word and it'll show you pictures of it. Another one was the word read aloud. So for this one, I'm going to use a Word document.
Read and write 11 readings.
And that's what I've learned about Read and Write 11, or some of the things I've learned about Read and Write 11.